I absolutely love how these air fryer chocolate chip cookies turned out. These are perfectly gooey in the middle with crisp edges. These cookies are super easy to make, but let me show you my little tricks that really help to get that perfect soft and gooey cookie texture. For this air fryer chocolate chip cookies recipe, you will need 3 cups of bread flour, which I have measured out already. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the flour. Then add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and give all the dry ingredients a good mix until everything is mixed well. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, add 8 ounces of unsalted butter. I actually use cold butter for this recipe and not room temperature butter. Cold butter works a lot better for these cookies. It is one of my little tricks. Use an electric mixer to beat the butter for about 30 seconds until it starts to break apart. You do not want to cream it completely. We just want to smear it a bit, as you can see here. Then add 1 cup of light brown sugar to the butter, and then add 3/4 cup of white sugar, and mix just until they are combined with the butter but still look a bit crumbly, as you can see in the video here. Next, add 2 large cold eggs to your butter and sugar mixture. Mix these on medium-low speed for about 30 seconds. The mix might look a bit separated, and that is totally fine. We do not want to overmix here. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give the cookie batter another quick mix. Just blend until the vanilla is mixed in. Now, let's add the dry ingredients that we mixed earlier into the bowl with our butter and sugar mixture. I like to use my hand instead of a spoon or mixer to give it a quick mix because it lets me feel the texture directly, just until everything comes together and forms a rough dough that holds together when pressed. Next, chop up some chocolate. I am using a mix of milk chocolate, and I also have some semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips that I will add. Use about a cup of each. The chopped chocolate gives you those big melty pockets, while the chocolate chips hold their shape a bit more when baking, as you will see in a minute. Then add the chopped chocolate and also the semi-sweet chocolate chips to the cookie dough and mix just till the chocolate is evenly mixed. Remember, we do not want to overmix here. Just fold it with a few turns of the spatula, or just use your hands again. Now, I like to weigh the cookies because I like bigger cookies, and I like to weigh them so they are all the same size and I know that they all cook perfectly using the same cooking time. I am making my cookies about 120 grams each. That is a good size for the air fryer. Just grab some dough and put it on your scale. I want nice round cookies, so I am rolling them into smooth balls. This helps them cook evenly in the air fryer and gives them that perfect bakery look when they're done. Next, a very important step to get these perfect air fryer chocolate chip cookies. We need to put the dough balls in the fridge for 1 hour. This chilling helps them keep their shape and make sure they don't cook too quickly in the air fryer. You will get that perfect texture, crispy outside, gooey inside. Don't skip this step. Once the dough balls are nice and solid, place 1 or more in your air fryer basket if there is room, and put the others back in the fridge. Air fry the cookie for 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They should be golden outside, but still soft in the middle when done.
Yum.
These chocolate chip cookies are crispy outside and gooey inside with melty chocolate chunks. They taste buttery sweet with perfect hints of vanilla. If you like these air fryer chocolate chip cookies, make sure to try my best air fryer brownies recipe too. It takes just 20 minutes and comes out super fudgy. Check it out now.